What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to revamp a bob hair and how to revamp a bone straight wig. I'll be using a bob hair for this tutorial, but the method that I'm going to share with you in this video, you can do it on your bone straight wig. So you can say that I'm going to use a bob hair, but the method is also for bone straight wig. Okay, so first thing is to wash out the excess dirt from the hair. I'll be using warm water to make the process easier and faster, to remove the excess dirt faster. For the shampoo that I'm going to use, I'm going to be using a treseme moisture shampoo. So you can use any shampoo of your choice for this. I'm going to wash the hair until the dirt is out from the ribbon, then rinse it out. I did it off camera. This is how the hair looks like. I'll also be using this keratin treatment milk. So I'm going to take small portion of this and put it in a container. Just put a little portion, the one that you can finish. So this is what I did, just put a little of it in a container. I'll also be using this treseme leave-in conditioner for this. Meanwhile, you can use any product that suits you for this. Next thing I did was to add the leave-in conditioner into the container. I've already added the keratin milk treatment, so I'm adding this leave-in conditioner into the container. Just take the quantity that you think that you can consume on a particular hair. So pour it in the mixture. I'm going to pour this into the mixture. Next thing is to add in my hair oil. I'm using oduois or whatever, so you can use any hair oil. This is the hair oil I'm using. So pour in the quantity that you need. So just pour in the quantity I needed into the bowl, so into the mixture, then mix it thoroughly. Next, I go ahead and apply the mixture all over the wig. So gently massage it or apply it all over the wig. When you are applying this mixture, make sure that you apply it all over, like all the mixture, you apply it all over the hair. After applying the mixture, next is to steam the hair. I'm using the steamer bag for it. You can also decide to do the boiling method, so I'm going to use the steamer bag for my own method. Once you plug it, it's going to show light indicating that it's plugged. I'm going to allow the hair to stay in the steamer bag for about an hour plus. This is how it looks like. I'm going to put it back and leave it to stay for about 30 minutes, an hour plus, just that time limit. Guys, this is how it looks like after the steaming. This is how it looks like. So like I said, you can use boiling method for this, but this method that I use, okay. So next thing is just to comb it out and blow dry it. You can also sun dry your own. So let's compare how this looks like. This is how it looks after drying and combing it out. What I'm going to do next is to straighten it out and we'll see the result. And guys, this is the final result. Like I said, this method you can use it to revamp your bone straight or your bob wig. Is going to give the strand, there's this result that is going to give the strands of the hair. This is it. This hair is not bone straight, but as you can see, this is how it looks like. So tell me what you think about this in the comment section and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See my next video. Bye.